Ever tried to look at a tiny scratch on a coin or a microscopic solder joint and just ended up with a headache? It is a common struggle, but this 10-inch digital microscope seems to have been built specifically to solve that exact problem. The first thing that hits you is the screen size. 10 inches is a massive upgrade over those tiny handheld magnifiers, and because it uses an IPS panel, the colors stay accurate even if you're leaning in from the side to get a better look at a circuit board. It feels solid too, with an aluminum alloy build that gives it a bit of weight, so it doesn't just slide around your desk when you are trying to focus. What is really clever here is the lighting setup. You have the standard ring of LEDs around the lens, which is fine for basic stuff, but those two flexible gooseneck lights on the sides are the real stars. Being able to move them around to kill glare on a shiny coin surface is a total game changer. You can actually see the texture of the metal instead of just a giant white reflection. The magnification range is pretty wild, going up to 1200 times, though honestly, you will probably spend most of your time in the lower ranges where things are actually stable and easy to focus. Now here is the thing about the controls. It comes with a wireless remote, which sounds like a gimmick, but it is actually super useful. When you are zoomed in tight, even the slightest touch to the screen can make the image shake like an earthquake. Using the remote to snap a photo or start a video keeps everything perfectly still. It is a thoughtful touch that shows someone actually thought about how people use these things in the real world. The battery life is solid enough to get through a long afternoon of tinkering, lasting about 3 hours, which is plenty for most projects. If you want to get a better look, you can plug it into a computer via USB for a real-time feed. It is great for sharing what you are seeing with someone else, or just getting a massive view on a monitor. One small gripe, though, is that the interface can feel a little dated. It is not as snappy as a modern smartphone, and navigating the menus takes a second to get used to. Also, while the image quality is impressive for the price, don't expect professional laboratory-grade optics. It is a tool for hobbyists, and for that, it hits the mark perfectly. If you are into coin collecting, watch repair, or just love seeing the world up close, this thing is a massive step up from squinting through a jeweler's loupe. It is practical, it is well built, and it makes the tedious parts of detailed work actually kind of fun.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.